Contents of my makeup bag. Eyebrow pencil, lip liner, Christian Dior bronzer in number 8. Yep. Charlotte Tilbury airbrush finish. My TLB, the lip bar, beautiful red. This is Hot Mama. Lip balm from Omorovicza. Liquid eyeliner. And guys, I think we all decided to cancel Hourglass, but I still got to use up my products. Caution mascara, which I love, and a Caution, an Hourglass concealer, which I'm trying to almost done using that one up. Chanel lip gloss. Very old, very, very old Christian Louboutin lipstick. And MAC eyebrow. And those are the contents of my makeup bag today.